class. Today we're going to learn about factors. We're going to start off by learning the dictionary definition of a factor. The dictionary definition of a factor is one of two or more numbers, algebraic expressions, or the like, that when multiplied together produce a given product. But that's a confusing definition, so we're going to make our own. A factor is a number that when multiplied together with one or more numbers produces a product. Now class, can you remind me of what a product is? That's right. A product is the answer you get when you multiply two numbers together. So we're going to start off with some examples. How to derive a factor. Let's start off with the number 2. Can you guys tell me two numbers that multiply together to equal 2? That's right. 1 times 2. Okay, so this means that 1 and 2 are factors of 2. Factors of 2. Are there any other numbers that multiply together to equal 2? That's right, there aren't. Now let's try a different one. How about 4? What two numbers multiply together to equal 4? That's right. 1 times 4. So 1 and 4 are the factors of 4. Are there any other numbers that multiply together to equal 4? That's right. 2 times 2. But because we don't need to repeat numbers, we can just say 1 and 4 are factors, and 2 is a factor. So class, what are all the factors of 4? That's right. 1, 2, and 4. Now let's try a little bit harder one. 8. Okay, class, can you tell me what two numbers multiply together to equal 8? That's right. 1 times 8. You can always start off with 1 being a factor of every number because every number can be multiplied by 1. Okay, are there any other numbers? That's right. 4 times 2. So, what are the factors of 8? That's right. 1, 8, 4, and 2. So, to check yourself and to understand why it's a factor, we could look at it like this. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 for 4 times 2 gives you 8. Or for 4 sets of 2, that's this, 4 sets of 2. For, how about 2 sets of 4? Because remember, we can switch it. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now 5 isn't a factor of 8 because 5 plus 5 equals 10, and that's too many to be 8. So if you add the number to itself and it equals more than the number that you want it to be a factor of, then it can't be a factor of it. So let's do some harder problems and see if you guys can get it. How about 12? Can anybody tell me a factor of 12? That's right, 4 is a factor of 12, but what number is it a factor with? That's right, 3, because 4 times 3 equals 12. What about another one? Remember, you can always start with 1. That's right, 1 times 12 equals 12. Are there any others? That's right, 6 times 2 also equals 12. So what are our factors? Class, say them out loud together. 4, 3, 1, 12, 6, and 2. And now we're going to do a hard one. But I bet it won't be hard for you guys. Let's do 36. Can anybody tell me 2 numbers that equal 36? That's right. 1 times 36. Anybody else? That's right. 12 times 3. Anybody else? Okay, so 1, 36, 12, and 3 are some of the factors of 36, but I want you guys at your desk to figure out the rest.